Hey everybody, we're here at Thousand Trails doing a little hiking for the day. The weather's gorgeous, the sun's out. We've been here over the holidays.
We're at Whitney, Texas. That's where the Thousand Trails is. And we're just spending some time here hiking and having a good time.
And we thought we'd just say Happy New Year to everybody. And we've got some clips of some stuff we've been doing around the area. In the next couple videos, we'll start getting into what we're going to do the rest of this year.
So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the little red button below and the little bell too, so you can be notified of any upcoming videos.
So everybody, we're hoping you have a really good 2020.
Happy New Year. Get up and get out. The lake looks to be down like 6 to 8 feet, wouldn't you say?
Mm-hmm.
Not more?
At least. We used to kayak up this area, remember?
I followed this creek bed instead of the usual trail we followed because the lake is very shallow. A lot of these creek beds are drying up. Maybe the one opportunity to be able to get down them a little bit. What was that, Scout? Did you knock a rock off?
What are you doing, bud? This really shows how low the lake is. The last video when we were at Whitney, we were kayaking and we had lunch right here on this ledge. And the kayaks were literally right there at that ledge. Look how far the water's receded.
I read this in a chess book. We have this good chess book. It's called Bobby Fischer Teaches Chess. Have you heard of Bobby Fischer?
Oh yeah, Bobby Fischer.
So
He was
about-
playing when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Now, for this amount, I'm gonna put a full lemon.
Smells good, right? The cinnamon.
Okay. We're gonna put salt. I guess about for this amount. I'll show you. About a flat spoon, a teaspoon, kind of. Don't want to make it too salty. I hope it's not too much. But some salt you can always put a little less, and then you can add different. This is cumin. Okay. Put some cumin and fresh garlic. This is big clove, so for the small cloves, I guess about one clove is sufficient for this batch. And now mixing it, and I will show you that it should be in a certain texture before we put the tahini, and then we'll taste it, and then we'll go for the tahini. When it's ready, you take a couple of spoons, put it in the middle, and then you do it like something like this.
Oh, that's pretty.
And you put the olive oil.
Oh, so you don't mix it in, it's like part of a...
Some you can also mix in, by the way. I told you I'm showing you something very basic. You can mix in. You can put a few drops of lemon on top, and some sweet paprika, or parsley, or now.
That's paprika there? Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow.
Now try it.
Okay.
Aubrey, do you want to run and grab me the bag of peas, please? Honey?
And also, Leslie, bring a small container. I'll take you some. I'll give you some to take home.
Perfect.
So good.
No, we're not. Are we? Do you see a red dot?
Don't see a red dot.
What is that? Oh.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, how do I get that back over there? There it goes. Okay.
Yeah, it is.